Morning traders, and this is your Aussie day trade setup for today. So yesterday, with a lot of conviction, we broke this channel and accelerated very rapidly to the upside, and that was a good 700 points. So the advice yesterday was watch the fractals for a break, but the bias was to the downside because we were below the alligator and we're in a channel, so you're expecting another move to the downside with that channel. Okay, that didn't happen. We did in the first sort of half hour was looking correct, but then we broke out to the upside. Bit of indecision, and then an acceleration in the afternoon session. So that was fairly interesting. The fact that we've got two pin bars at the close, not how do I put it? It's not too serious. It could indicate that we have a bit of a pullback coming. This gap hasn't really closed. Gap is up there. I've expected it to tag it, so it's ever so slightly open. But the real picture we have here is this breakout. Okay, so that is a cup and handle. I would love to see a pullback back onto it of 49,300 for another entry long. Okay, so the short story of this is my measured move here is pretty much that kind of thing. Okay, let's look at it on the daily and we'll get it. Only swing high is back there. The next one higher up, which to me looks a little bit more logical, would be that one there. Okay. So 15957 or 5523. Those are the two areas that I would expect us to be going to. Anyway, let's get rid of the noise. Now you can see we've also got a much bigger break as well. We've got this trend line break here. So it is by the dips at the moment, and as far as I'm concerned, that is a trend change. It doesn't look like it on the 3-hour, does it? Let's just go here. Oh, that's a trend change. Okay, so we've broken through. We found some resistance at the 200 EMA. We are a little bit overbought. I would like to see a bit of a pullback. Okay, now if I just look at what's going on overseas, I doubt that's going to offer anything. 10 cents up 2%. Rand, dollar down to 1502, and the US markets were pretty flat yesterday. We got Hong Kong up 1.5% at the moment. So I would expect sort of probably a gap up, but any pullback is an opportunity to buy. Obviously, I'd love to see us just come back to this fractal here, and we can just start picking up these fractals on the lower time frame. So there's a breakout. I'd love to see us come back to 49,334 for another entry long. Okay, and that would mean that I have a stop down here, 400 point odd stop loss. Alternatively, I don't think there's going to be any other fractals. There is one here. Ignore this last bar. That is crappy data. So ideally, you want to break above this fractal. Let's use this one here. And your stop is below this fractal. Okay, so break above 49,624 is long, with a stop below 49,513. Even if you do get stopped out, I wouldn't chase the short. I'd wait patiently for it to come back down, find some structure or find some support, and get back in long. Okay, this breakout is fairly strong. So you've got to see if our measured move is on this one. So it was a move up, then we had the channel move down. So that's almost like today's target, I would say, is 49,915. We're kind of in this area. That is the next swing low. So that's definitely what I'd have on the cards for today. Not much, 290 points, but that's definitely what I'd be looking for. Okay, so yeah, and you can see we are basically forming another flag here. So any dip is a buying opportunity for a move to the upside. The true area where we need to look to the downside is going to be all the way back down here at 4,900. Okay, and a break below 4,900 is going to give us sort of downside. But at this stage, I think this move was pretty strong, consolidating as the guys were taking profit, and I think we're going to get a continuation to the upside. So ideally, we want to be long. Any pullback, we want to be in on this trade. Okay, here we go. That's it for me today. Short and sweet. Well, sorry. Before we go, let's just get to the ichimoku quickly. Hour is indicating a pullback. 4 hours on the cloud, lots of resistance here, so either a pullback or we're going to be sort of gently meandering in this cloud. We do have bullish signal there, we don't have a twist in the cloud. And daily is not pretty. So be cautious. I think the reality of it is just a very small move is possible. I see where that is. 49,872. So daily move is going to, well, today's move more than likely sort of to sideways to up, and depending on American politics, what's going to happen there. So advice again, still the same, looking to buy, but take profit at all these levels until we get confirmation on the 4 hour and the daily of the trend change. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps. Cheers for now.